This video, I show you the best ways to make PayPal money online fast for absolutely free, which is a new strategy to earn $40 per day. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is Make PayPal Money Online Fast for Free. I made over $280. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the first step. You will need an actual PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure to create one up. PayPal is worldwide and it's absolutely free. Set up an account so that these two apps can pay you directly to your PayPal account. Now let's go ahead and go to the very first app. Now this isn't the highest paying app, okay, so this one is called Add a Poll. Now this has 4.2 stars out of 5, which is a very high rating. As you can see, over 19,000 people have just submitted their rating to this particular app. So we know that lots of people are earning money by doing paid surveys on this particular app. So literally, you just give your opinion, answer a few questions, and they pay you on a weekly basis. Well, so let's go ahead and check out their site to actually show you what to do in order for you to get paid to take surveys on your mobile phones or tablet devices. It works in the Apple App Store. It's also found on the Google Play Store. So you can literally get started today. Only want short surveys, you can specify the length of the surveys you want to be invited to. So literally, you could choose how many questions you want. If you feel lazy today, you only want to answer a few questions. You can do that and still get paid. Okay? So, payment thresholds are extremely low. That means you get paid quicker. Now, this is definitely an app you want to get started with. It isn't the highest paying. But I'm going to show you even higher paying app. So let's go ahead and move on to app number 2. That is paying people lots of money. Okay, so this one is called StreetBees. Now, most people don't actually even know about this app. So there's almost zero competition on this app. And you can get paid out today for simply answering a few questions and chatting. So it's pretty cool. Again, 4.2 stars out of 5, extremely high ratings, and over 53,000 reviews on this particular app. So you know, almost 3 times the number of reviews from the last app. And this one is pretty cool. Because if you go on their website, it says the world's first human intelligence platform. We capture real-life moments, at scale and in people's own words. Drive your next growth opportunity with our AI-powered analysis. So this app is actually getting businesses to get people like you and me to test out their apps, their software, and their artificial intelligence. You literally just tell them your thoughts by chatting on the app. Okay. So in order to get paid, you actually have to download this app here on the Google Play Store. Not on their website. So pretty cool app right here. They pay out daily straight to your PayPal account. And this is a global community. So it works worldwide. And it's a great app to get started with. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification.